So Google just dropped something wild called Nano Banana. Don't underestimate it. This one is an AI model that can change AI picture generation history. Today we will start testing this model to create a cool YouTube thumbnail and image product to see how really good this one is. I'm not really good at these two fields, so I definitely need AI help. So let's go. To use Nano Banana, just search Gemini and Google and open the website. At top part, make sure that you select Gemini 2.5, Flash image, and done. For my first try, I will give a picture of my face to this model, then give a cool prompt and wait for the result. Best thing that will help you to create awesome images is your prompt. So sub the channel. In the next video, I will cover this subject. If I want, I can tell AI to change some parts of the output with a simple text. Now is the time to create product image using Nano Banana. I will shoot bunch of images of my product. For having best result, make sure not having any shadow at your product. Lighting is important. You can also use sunlight to improve your lighting. As an example, you can shoot in the time that the sun is up. I only use this generated picture for my first pic because AI images don't make trust. Done, we will learn how to use Nano Banana. This video will help you to become a master of using ChatGPT. See you there.